Welcome to skillsatwork.ca. In this tutorial I'll walk through the login process, how to navigate, and how to take a quiz in the system. The first part of our process is to log in. Your facilitator will have provided you with a username and password to log into the site. I'm going to go ahead and enter mine now. Once I've entered my username and password in, I click on Login. Now that we've completed the login process, let's look at navigating within the system. Here I am on the main page after login, and I see the words Skills at Work. If I hover my mouse over Skills at Work, you can see the mouse turns to a hand. I click on Skills at Work to enter the course. In this course there are 4 modules. Module 1, Oral Communication. Module 2, Working with Others. Module 3, Thinking Skills. And Module 4, Continuous Learning. I'm going to demo the navigation system of using Module 1 by clicking on Module 1 to enter the module. Click on Module 1, Oral Communication. Now I'm in the module. You'll notice the look and feel of the module has changed to allow us a nice and smooth learning experience. At any point in time I can return to the main page by clicking on Back to Home. And here I am back at that main page, and I'll click on Module 1 Oral Communication to enter that module. To proceed through the module, I can click on the navigation on the side or click on the Next button. I prefer the Next button. I click on Next as I read through the content. Some screens will have videos. If there's a video, you'll see a play icon. Go ahead and click the play icon to hear and see the video.
To help us understand the importance of effective oral communication in the work.
Some pages will have buttons. Buttons allow me to interact with content to check my understanding of the content on the page. For example, clicking on Listen.
When a customer is very slowly describing what he wants, Steve finds it hard not to jump in and get.
And finally, in some units you'll see in the summary section a video. In this case we don't. I'm going to click on Complete to move on to the next module. Start Unit 2. You'll see in Unit 2 of Module 1 there's a video checkpoint. I'll just review how to play a video. I can click on the play icon for the video, and if I wish I can actually click the full screen icon to see the video in full screen. I can mute the video at any point in time, and if I want to I can put on captions in a language I prefer. English captions, and play. This concludes the tutorial to navigate in skillsatwork.ca. Welcome to the third and final section of the tutorial on how to use the skillsatwork.ca website. In this section, we'll take a quiz on Module 1 Oral Communication. Clicking on Module 1 Oral Communication starts the quiz process. When I'm ready to take the quiz, I click Attempt Quiz Now. I'm then presented with some multiple choice questions. At any point in time, I can flag a question to return to it and later on in the system. So if I click the flags, you'll see the small little red things indicating up in the corner that I have not yet answered those questions, but maybe want to return to them. I can go through and answer the questions on the quiz. When I get to the bottom, click on the Next button. And when I'm ready, I can click Submit All and Finish. Red indicates incorrect and green indicates correct. You can see it took me 1 minute to take the quiz. I have some feedback, and it does in fact show me the correct answer for each of the questions with a small green check mark. and a red X for something incorrect. And when I'm done, I can click on Finish Review at the bottom. I'm going to click on Skills at Work. It's a small link above the quiz preview screen. It takes me back to the main course where I can continue my learning.